In this one, here he asked me to using to write, sorry, the standard form of an equation. In this one here, in the first problems, he gave me the vertices and the co-vertices, and he asked me to write the equation. Or it could give me an equation and ask me what are the vertices. Or it give me the vertices and the equation and ask me to graph. Here, no. Here he give me the graph and he asked me now to write the equation. Look at this one here. For this one, it seems to be vertical or horizontal ellipse?
Horizontal.
It is a horizontal ellipse.
Horizontal.
So, and the horizontal, here we have the major axis. The major axis, it has the vertices. So the vertices here, it is 8, 0, and negative 8,
0.
and the foci, sorry, and the foci here is negative 5, 0, and 5, 0. I want now to write the equation. All of us know that the equation of the horizontal ellipse, it is x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equal 1. So I have a, but I need now to find b. Is it right? I want to write the equation. I have a. A is known, but b is unknown. How can we find b?
We know c, so we can use c squared equals a squared minus b squared, and so for b.
Thank you. So the foci here now, it has this value.
But
this
teacher,
value
it's written in the graph.
No.
That b is 5. I think it's 5.
No, the foci here is 5 and negative 5. I need to find b here.
Isn't it 6 and negative 6?
If you look at if you look at the squares, yeah, you will find it is 6. Because I want here to find it by the equation. So from here I have c is 5. So c squared, it will be 25. A squared, sorry, a is 8. So a squared is 64. Then we know that c squared is a squared minus b squared. So 64 minus b squared is 25. Minus 64. So b squared is 64 minus 25 is 39.
Yeah, it's negative 39.
39. Okay, then about that. So b squared is 39. So b now is at square root of 39, which is approximately 6. So now b is square root of 39. I have now a. Yes, it is 64. I have now b. Yes, it is 39. Can I write now the equation or the standard form equation of an ellipse?
Yes.
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 It was x squared over 64 plus y squared over 39 is equal to 1. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's do this one here.
Did you not make 39 to the power 2?
Sorry?
You not make 39 to the power 2?
No, why? This is b. I didn't tell you the length of the minor axis is blah, blah, blah. Then you divide it by 2. This is b. This is the distance from here to here. Sorry, where's my pen? Is it from here to here?
Yeah, we make it 39 to the power 2 أصلاً, صح?
If I'm asking you, yeah, it is b. If I'm asking you, what is the minor, or what is the length of the ellipse, or what is the length is of the minor, you will tell me it is 2 times b, which is 2 square root of 39. Now, let's do this question here. Write an equation of an ellipse in standard form with a center at the origin with a given characteristic. I want to solve now number 49. In this one here, or no, let's solve 48 and 49. Okay. In this one here, in 48 now, focus is 1 0, sorry. The focus is 1 0. So where's the focus? Is it on the x-axis or on the y-axis?
X-axis.
It is on the x-axis. So this is a horizontal ellipse with C equal 1. Width is 4. What's the meaning of width?
So it is basically 2a.
The two vertices.
The distance between the two vertices, or 2a. So 2a now is equal to 4. So what is the value of a? I mean that here is my ellipse. The width
So
is
A is
4. Okay, so a, here is 2 and here is 2. So because of that, here you have 2 0 and negative 2 0. Is it right?
Yeah.
So a here is 2. Here I ask me now to write the equation. If I want to write the equation, I need a.
We can
and
find b.
Let's find b by using this one. C squared equal a squared minus b squared. What is the value of a? It is 4. What is the value of b? It is unknown. And the value of c, it is 1. 1 squared, which is 1. So b squared is a 3. Is it right?
Yeah, so it's square root 3.
Yeah. So can I write now the equation?
Yes.
The equation is x squared over 4 plus b squared over 3 equal 1.
Teacher, you mean y squared?
Yeah,
Sorry.
y squared over 3.
Y squared. Is it clear now?
yes.
Thank you.
Okay. And the second one here, I think yeah, it's the same idea. A is 5, B, okay, leave it. Let's go to the number 53. In this one here, he told me that C squared is 68 and the vertex is 0, negative 19. From the vertex,
It's vertical.
it is 0, negative 18. Where is the number? It is an x or y coordinate?
Y, so it's
Y.
vertical.
So it have to be vertical ellipse. It is a vertical. So its equation is x squared over y squared over a squared plus x squared over b squared equal 1. Then I have now a, which is negative 18. So a squared, it will be 18 squared, which is 324. 324, sorry, plus x squared over, what did I need now? I need b squared. Is it right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I have now
So
the c
68.
squared is 68, it is given. And I know now a is 18 and a squared, it will be 324. Can I find b now?
Yeah.
So b
make
now,
Yes.
68 equals
it is
324
a squared minus b squared. C squared is 68, a squared is 324 minus b squared. So after subtraction, b squared, it will be 324 minus 68, which is 256. And I will write it here. So this is now the equation of this, of number 53. Is it clear?
Yes. Thank you.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, I want now to solve number 55 before finish this class. In number 55 here, the focus is 20. If the focus is 20, I mean the value is on the x-axis. So I'm talking about horizontal ellipse with c equal to. So in the horizontal ellipse, as all of us know, the equation is x squared over a squared plus b squared over plus y squared over b squared equal 1. Now, either a or b, I don't know. Both of them, I don't know. But here he told me that the x-intercept is 4. The x-intercept is 4.
So the vertex is
That
4,
the
0.
ellipse here, it intercepts the x-axis at point 4. So this is my vertices. So a now is 4. Is it right?
Yeah,
Yes.
in the X.
So a now is 4. Now after that, if I have a and I have c, can I find b?
Yes.
Yes.
By using that code. C squared is a squared minus b squared. A squared is 16 minus b squared is c squared 2. So c is 2, so it is 4. So b squared, it will be 12. I have now b squared. I have now a squared. So I can write now the standard form of the equation, which it will be x squared over 16 plus y squared
Plus y squared
12
over 12
equal 1. If you write the final answer and you find that you are in horizontal and the number under y is greater, check your answer. Check your what did you solve, because you make something wrong. Now, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you have any question?
No, teacher.
Okay. Thank you so much. Now, by now, we finished our lesson. Tomorrow, we will start with the hyperbola. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, teacher. It was a nice lesson.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice time.